Most of my friends, if not all of them, call me Mami Pong Pong, which is a slang word in French for the bun queen, and this is because of how much I do buns and my love for buns. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I realized my side part bun, and for this, I will need a long-tailed comb. Most black girls know this comb. I'll use this tailed comb to realize a clean side part. Note that my hair is relaxed in this video, and this is because I'm a black girl and it's easier for me to manage because 4C hair is hard. So for you to be able to realize this sleek bun like you'd see in this video, the hair needs to be relaxed, flat ironed or blow dried. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a wide tooth comb to take out the knots from my hair because knots are impossible to deal with. And this is the rubber band I'll be using in this video. I'm just gonna put it in my hand to keep it there for whenever I would have to use it. And this brush is from the heavens. I'll use this brush to slick my hair back and down because I am not gonna be using any gel or eco styler in this video. So I'll just use my light tooth comb to take out the knots more because knots are really difficult to handle. You just keep brushing it out till you realize whatever consistency you want to realize and hold it then in a bun like you see to make it smooth, slick. Smoothen it with your hands, brush it more with the brush, and brush the back of your hair because whether you like it or not, people see the back of your hair. So the back of your hair has to be as good as the front of your hair. Use your hand to smoothen it. And this is where the rubber band comes in. And I tie it just 2 times because I don't like it too tight. It being too tight gives me a bad headache and I don't like headaches. But you can do it whatever way you want to, as long as it works for you. Whatever works for you is just fine. As you can see, it's sleek, it's good. You can do this for gatherings, you can do this for work, you can really do this for anything because it's amazing. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.